Hello, good afternoon, students. This is Geeta Menesky. In the previous class, we already discussed about the integrated rate equation of second order reaction and half-life period of second order reaction. Based on that, two problems we solved. The third problem we will see today. Here, the third problem is 10 moles per liter of ethyl acetate and NaOH were saponified. The concentration of caustic soda is given at various time interval. Show the reaction is of second order. Calculate the mean value of K. They gave the values of T and A minus X in the problem. This is the values. By knowing these values, and here in the problem only initial concentration they have given 10 moles per liter, that is A, initial concentration, that is equal to 10 moles per liter. By using this initial concentration, we'll come to know the X value. Here we will take X value. Initially the products will not form, that is why it is 0. Then at this 4.9, A minus X means 10 minus 4.9 will get 5.1, 10 minus 3.6, 6.4, 10 minus 2.9, 7.1, 10 minus 2.1, 7.9. This is the concentration of X. So again we will go to the rate constant, that is rate constant of a second order reaction. That equation is K is equal to 1 divided by T X divided by A into A minus X. This is the equation. By putting that values, here the time T 0 and X is also 0, we will get the K is 0 at 0 minute. K we will get 0. Then we'll see the second one at time 15. X is 5.1 divided by A, 10 into A minus X, 4.9. By calculating this, we'll get the answer 0.0069. That unit is liter per mole per minute, here at second, and at third again K is equal to 1 divided by at 25 minutes, X is 6.4 divided by initial concentration is 10, then A minus X is 3.6. Again multiplying these values, we will get the answer 0.0071. And fourth one, so again K is equal to 1 divided by 35, that X value is 7.1 divided by A is initial concentration 10, multiplying 2.9, we will get the answer 0.0070. Then again fifth one, K is equal to at time 55 minutes, that X value is 7.9 divided by 10 into 2.1. after multiplying this all, we will get the answer 0.0068. Here you will see the answer at 55 minutes, at 35 minutes, at 25 minutes, at 15 minutes. These values are nearly same. So that is why the rate constant of second order reaction, it is always constant. Always constant. By knowing this mean 0.0069 plus 0.0071 plus 0.0070 plus 0.0068 divided by 4. At last, mean we will get the answer 0.00695. Here the minute is per mole liter per minute. So I think this is clear, this problem, and we'll go to the fourth problem. See here, 1 gram mole of ethyl acetate was hydrolyzed by NaOH using equal concentration of alkali. The volume of acid used at various interval of time is given below. Again same before we solved the problem, like that only it is, that time is given and the concentration of that acid is used here. Then show that the reaction is second order and find the value of K. Find the value of K. So here they given the A minus X and T. We have to calculate the X value. Here initial concentration of reactant is 8.04. It means A is equal to 8.04 mole per liter. So we will calculate the X value by using this initial concentration A minus X. So 8.04, initially the product will not form, so it is 0. Then 8.04 minus a 5.3, it is 2.74. 8.04 minus 4.55 is 3.49. 8.04 minus 3.5 is 4.54, and 8.04 minus 2.74 is 5.3, and 8.04 minus 2.24 is 5.8. This is the value of X. Then by using the equation K is equal to 1 by T into X divided by A into A minus X. By using these values, 1 divided by, in first one it is K value is 0, the second one time is 4, then into X value is 2.74 divided by A value is 8.04 into A minus X is 5.3. By calculating this, we will get the answer 0.0161 liter per mole per minute. Then Third one, k is equal to 1 divided by k value time is 6. So 6, x value is 3.49 divided by a is 8.04 into a minus x value. A minus x value is 4.55. So again, after calculating, we'll get the answer 0.0159 liter per mole per minute. Fourth one, k is equal to, the time is at 10 minutes. Then the value of x is 4.54 divided by a is 8.04, then a minus x is 3.5. By calculating this, we'll get the answer 0.0161 liter per mole per minute. Then fifth one, at a time 15 minutes, the x value is 5.3, a is 8.04 into 2.74. We'll get the answer 0.0160 liter per mole per minute. Then at last one, k is equal to, at time t is 20 minutes, the x value is 5.8, 8.04 into 2.24. After multiplying, we will get the answer 0.0161 liter per mole per minute. Here, different time, the k value is always similar. Here you can see, by calculating the mean of k, rate constant, all values 0.0161 plus 0.0159 plus 0.0161 plus 0.0160 plus 0.0161 divided by 5, we'll get the answer 0.01604 per mole liter per minute. This is the value of k in this problem. We'll go to the next problem. Decomposition of a gas is second order when the initial concentration of a gas is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole per dm cube. It decomposes 40% in 50 minutes. What is the value of velocity constant? Further calculate the time taken for 90% decomposition of the gas. In this problem, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 moles per dm cube. ಇದು 40% the reaction is completed at 50 minutes. So 40% it is x. We have to convert it into mole per dm cube 0.4. By multiplying initial concentration with the 0.05, we'll get the x value 0.02 mole per dm cube. Then the time is 50 minutes. At 40% completion of that reaction, time is 50 minutes. So what is the value of velocity constant. Then we have to calculate the K value. So K is what? Then further calculate the time taken for 90% decomposition of the gas. So to complete 90% of reaction, how much time it takes, we have to calculate the T value. So here at 90% of the reaction. So write the equation of that K is equal to 1 divided by T into X divided by A into A minus X. Put the value of this in the equation. 1 divided by 50 into 0.02, that X value, divided by A value is 0.05. 0.05 minus 0.02. Then subtracting this, will get 1 divided by 50, 0.02 divided by 0.05 into 0.03. After multiplying, we will get the answer. K value is 0.2667 per mole dm cube per minute. So at 90% completion of this reaction, the X value is 90%. To multiplying with the concentration is 0.05, 0.9 into 0.05 will get the answer 0.045 mole per dm cube. So in the rate constant of that reaction equation, will take the T will take outside. The equation becomes T is equal to 1 divided by K into X divided by A into A minus X. So put the values. Then T is equal to 1 divided by 0.2667 into 0.045 divided by A value is 0.05 into 0.05 minus 0.045. Subtracting, we will get 0.005. So again here 1 divided by 0.2667 into 0.045 divided by 0.05 into 0.005. After calculating this, we will get the T value is equal to 674.92 minute. Time taken to complete 90% of reaction, 674.92 minute. Next problem, sixth one. The rate constant of a second order decomposition reaction is 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 2 dm cube per mole per second. If the T half is 10 minutes, calculate the initial concentration of the reactant. In this problem, they have given the K value, rate constant K value 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 2 dm cube per mole per second. We will write it here. Then T half 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, that is converted into seconds. 10 into 60, 600 seconds. So calculate the initial concentration of reactant. A we have to calculate in this problem. So the formula of half-life period is T half is equal to 1 divided by K into 1 divided by A. So initial concentration we have to calculate in this problem. That is why A we have to take outside. So A is equal to 1 divided by K into 1 divided by T half. Put the values in this equation. 1 divided by 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1 divided by 600. The A value, again here 10 to the power minus 2, if it comes up, it becomes 10 to the power plus 2 divided by, multiplying these two will get 1998. Then at last A value is 0.0501 mole per dm cube. The initial concentration of that reactant, it is 0.0501 mole per dm cube. Here this is about this problem. So remaining some problems I am giving you a homework to solve the problems. Here 3 problems I am giving. Solve it. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.